Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you how I cook my fried rice in a simple way, and while cooking I will also talk to you about streaming app and how people use them to earn online. Yes, this is a faceless conversation, so feel free to cook along or just enjoy the video. So, streaming app, you don't need any expensive equipment, you don't need ring light, you don't need all those things. Yes, you just need your phone and internet, and that's all. Aside from that, we are good to go, unless you just want it to be more fancy by getting a mic, getting other things. But streaming app allow users to go live, connect with people through talking, cooking, singing, storytelling, or even just chatting. You can be doing your daily activities and just be streaming, and you earn from it. And viewers can also support you also, but without viewers supporting you, you can also earn. You don't need viewers to support you before you be able to withdraw or to make money from it. So many beginners think you must be popular before you can earn, but most app reward consistently more than fame. You don't need to be famous before they can okay you. So another thing I like about streaming app is the flexibility. You can go live at home at your own time and share what you're enjoying doing. You don't need to this the particular time. You don't need to if you're a shy person, you don't need to talk or anything. You can just go live, just play music, anything you want to do on your live stream. And streaming app also help you build your confidence. It helps you build your confidence. So before you know, the small amount you're earning to encourage you, it will encourage you to stream daily. By the time you have withdrawn once, you see that it's true. That's when you take it serious. And it's also important to understand that income depend on consistency and sometimes engagement and how well you follow each app's rules. So streaming app are best treated as a side hustle, not instant success. But people do use it as a full-time hustle. Like they use it to earn a lot of money. So I think I'll stop here. And thank you for watching and enjoying the rest of the cooking, which I'm done. Thank you.